Good morning, students. Today, I want to discuss with you some of the salient features of the lesson which has just been finished, the rat trap. I would like to share the salient features, and the first feature is that this story, the rat trap, highlights the human loneliness as the biggest punishment. You know, in the lesson, there is a character of Crofter. Crofter lives alone, his wife is no more, his children are away, and when he finds the paddler at his door, he feels very delighted, very happy, very excited, and welcomes him in his home, and proves to be a very good host. He serves him with porridge, gives him a tobacco roll to smoke, and plays cards with him. And truly, in this world, as we are all social, everybody needs a company. Nobody can think of a life alone. Secondly, there is a character of Adela will mention also. She is really very much excited when she comes to know that an old friend of her father is in the falls. Immediately she goes there and welcomes him to home, and even then she comes to know about the reality of that fellow. She is very hungry that she has the company of this man over the Christmas Eve. So in this way we can say that human loneliness is really very difficult to bear. Everybody in this world needs company, and if I say that paddler to a great extent is also victim of this phenomena, I don't think we are wrong. He is all alone, no friends, no relatives, everywhere he is chased by the people. So this is the one thing which I think is very important. The second underlying theme of the lesson is the power of love and compassion. Even though Adela will mention, knows it very well that paddler is a thief, he is a fraud, he is not the old friend of her father. She intervenes in the matter and requests her father to allow paddler to stay with them over the Christmas Eve. Besides, she conveys a message from her father to the paddler that the coat which he was wearing was in fact a Christmas gift for him from them. And in this way, the treatment which he was meted by Adela gave the paddler power of confession, and he rose to the level of a captain. So in this way we can say that with such feelings of love, understanding, compassion, we can transform anybody in this world. Even a bad person can change into a good person. The third underlying theme which the writer focuses on is in fact philosophical interpretation of this world, and it is through the paddler that the writer describes the whole world as a rat trap. And here we are in the rat trap because of our desires. So those who have given up their desires, they are free, but those who have desires or uncontrolled desires, you can say, they find it very difficult to come out of this rat trap of the world. So this metaphor of the rat trap is in fact very very pleasing, very interesting for all the readers, and in a philosophic as well as in a humorous way, the peddler describes the world and the existence of the people here. Okay, thank you very much. I hope when you go through this lesson for a revision purpose, you keep in mind all these silent features, the main theme and the sub themes of this lesson. In the next video, we will discuss some short answer type questions and long answer type questions. Hopefully, we will be able to cover the entire chapter in a very interesting manner. Thank you very much.